I just need to lower in the headphones a little bit. Yeah, let's start it again, y'all. I think I might have to turn back to Aunt Lou. You hear me breathing hard on this mic? Yeah, check me out, y'all. Started like this. Yo, 40's the new 20. Hooks, store me in your memory, your data banks. Haters rank corny, don't forget me. Power to that SM, cowards get the semi. Now holla, we the best, man, without doubts and questions. Shit, we riding out to the death, fam. Sole controller, the globe is hold up, and we ain't giving shit back. Them hoes is for us. Yeah, it's plenty to pour out. Henny or Morgan, the captain is called out. I'm back and I'm more stout. In fact, on my boss clout, my watches are all round, and that's where you lost out. They watching you all now. Yeah, domino effect, watch them fall now. Brah, 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 brah. Lonzo triple threat when I ball clowns. No delicate flows for elegant hoes. Just double the fun dick for a bubblegum bitch. Yeah, you do the algebra, Alvia. Lou come through like it's nostalgia. Dudes paying for views, what's the tally up? Fan base of spooks that they rallied up. I can't shake my muse, I'm the carrier. Since life named me your groom, I'ma marry ya. Shit, war general, king of the cypher. There ain't a rapper on this island I think is nicer. Yeah, you might say Kilo, but I think he know. I'm out, y'all.
Oh shit!
And I wasn't trying to diss Alvia either, you know. I think she's hot too, so
some hip hop shit.
Why not?
Good stuff.
And Kilo's my man, so you know.
Kilo.
Ram, when y'all gonna get like some King of the Cypher? Like, take it back to that level, like just for a minute. I like all the new stuff.
Yeah.
What's up with like getting like the talent? See, you know, because you got some guys that make songs and some guys are good at spitting in arenas.
Yeah, we actually discussed that. We're gonna have one show. We're just gonna have like full Chronic Live, just doing, you know.